Namaste students, Khush Raho Betiya. I, JVN Dr. Vaichandrakala, Assistant Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the attachment and penetration in the bacteriophage. As we have discussed in the last class about the replication in the bacteriophage, so today we will be going to discuss about the attachment and penetration. So the bacterial cells are protected by a cell wall of polysaccharides. Okay. So, which are important virulent factors affecting the bacterial cells against both the immune system or the host defense and the antibiotic. So, to enter a host cell, the bacteriophage attach to the specific receptor on the surface of the bacteria, okay, including the lipopolysaccharides or the tricolic acid or the protein or the flagella, okay. So these specific means of bacteriophage can infect only certain bacteria bearing receptors to which they can bind, which in turn determine the phage host range. So the polysaccharide degrading enzymes like the endolysins are virons associated the proteins to the enzymatic degrade and the capsular outer layer of the host. Okay. So at the initial steps of writing the program, the phage infection process, the host growth conditions also influence the ability of the phage to attach and invade them. Okay. So as the viron do not move independently, this only rely on the random encountering the correct receptor when a solution such as a blood or a lymphatic circulation, irritate or a soil is get in contact. So the myovirus bacteriophage use the hydroderm syringe-like motions into the injects the genetic material into the cells. Okay. So after contracting with the appropriate receptor, the tail fibers flux to bring the base plate closer to the surface. Okay. So this is known as reverse binding. Once the attachment completely reverse the initiation of the tail contract with that of the help of the ATP present in the tail. Okay. So injecting the genetic material through the base of the membrane, this injection of the accomplish the a sort of motion that shafts by going into the side contracting cells pushing along the tail sheets of the myofiber. Okay. So here the virus instead they use a small smooth like tooth like fibers enzymatic to degrade the portion of a cell membrane before inserting into their genetic material into the cell. Okay. The synthesis of the protein and nucleic acid here within the bacterial membrane or the ribosomes that translate the viral RNA, mRNA or the protein. Okay. Where the RNA replicates and synthesizes earlier in the process and the protein modify the bacterial RNA polymerase so that it refers to the transcribed viral mRNA. Okay. The viral assembly here in case of the T4, the new virus particles involves in the assistance of the helper protein. Okay. So release of viron take place where the T4 of the construction of the new virus particles including the assistance and the helper protein. And the release of the virons by the case by budding and the lysis by the tailed phage and is called as endolysin. Okay. And rather than here the cell wall of the peptidoglycan and where the filamentous phase and the host cells release. Okay. So budding is associated with mycoplasma phase and uh, where the long-term resident of the prophase take place. Okay. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. We'll resolve in the problem solving session. Thank you.